Okay.
What is it? Size your fingernail? Ptarmigan, let them grow.
And you play it. Play it.
There's no trout.
You can see it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, get in there. Okay, okay, hold them up.
Yeah.
Whoa! 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 You beat me, boy. That's good.
No trout. That's good pan-sized trout.
Oh, wouldn't that be? With cornmeal and butter. Oh, Beverly would have liked this.
Yeah.
Oh, I think he's got another big one. Look at that rod.
Same one,
Look at that rod. He just slipped at $10 and said, listen, they're watching me come back.
That's a new trout too. Must be the same one. Yeah, I think that one's even bigger. Where's he gone?
Oh, you see the color on this.
I'm coming in. Oh, beautiful.
Look at the color on that one.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
That's a nice trout.
That's a beauty.